Welcome to another episode of Aces TV. My name is Casey Johnson.
My name is Catherine Blake. First, Nora and Caitlin asked some questions to some Golden Aces football players and coaches before their upcoming playoff game this Saturday.
Okay, I'm Caitlin Klein here with Aces TV, and I'm here with
Michael Brewer.
And how are we going to defend Tolono, and how is it any different than everyone else we've played?
Well, I think the main thing when you play Tolono is that they're very, very well coached. And so you need to know exactly what your assignment is.
Yeah.
And we got to be able to do that for 4 quarters and not get tired of doing it.
Yeah.
They do an excellent job of running the things that they run. So, like I said, they're well coached. The plays that they run, their run plays go where they're supposed to go. The quarterback gets rid of the ball quick. So I think the main thing for us is to make sure that we know our assignments and we get aligned correctly. And we know what our job is on each snap with the calls that are made, and make sure we execute those for 4 quarters.
Thank you.
Yep.
I'm Nora Jones, and I'm here with
Coach Buss.
What part of Tolono's game worries you the most?
I would have to say probably their vertical passing game, just the way they can throw the ball down the field a little bit more than they have in years past.
And how are the Aces going to adjust and prep for that?
We're just working with our defensive backs and making sure we stay on our keys and we keep our eyes in the right spot and really try to take away the home run ball. We're trying to stay on top of all the receivers and make sure they don't have any long touchdowns.
Thank you. I'm here with
Mike Mandrell.
who do you think is going to have the most tackles Saturday?
I think it will be Asher Kite.
I'm here with Mr. Mobley. This is Aces TV. And who do you think will have the most touchdowns on our team?
This coming Saturday, you mean? I have a
Yes.
microphone.
Yes. Yes.
It'll probably be a combination of Blaine Sisson and Asher Kite, if I had to say. Those 2 seniors. I'll say 2 touchdowns apiece.
Alrighty. Thanks.
Sounds good.
I'm here with
Coach Drone.
How many yards do you think Blaine Sisson is going to have in the game on Saturday?
Man, I hope a lot. I hope we'll say 150 rushing, 150 throwing.
Thank you. I'm here with Aces TV, and this is
Blaine Sisson.
What are you most nervous for on the game on Saturday?
To lose. I don't want to lose.
Thanks.
Lastly, Chloe and Abby asked some of our football players and their peers for their predicted scores of the Tolono Unity game coming up this Saturday.
I'm Chloe, and I'm here with
Bryson Will.
What are your score predictions for the game on Saturday?
Mount Carmel wins 35-24.
Thank you. I'm here with
Molly Haggerty.
What are your score predictions for the game on Saturday?
Mount Carmel 27-21.
Thank you. I'm here with
Brendan Bowser.
What are your score predictions for the game on Saturday?
21-14 Aces.
Thank you.
That's it for Aces TV. See you next week, and go Aces.